Hi everyone, we wanted to make a quick video to help you guys hop onto your appointments through Zoom a little bit quicker. So for those of you having some technical difficulties, this is for if you've never used Zoom before, you don't have the app downloaded. So first and foremost, you have to be using a device that has both a camera and a microphone. We have to be able to see and hear you to do a telemedicine visit. So an older computer, some tablets won't have one or both of these things. So I will show you how to check for that if you can't tell by looking at your device. Smartphones are also fine to use. The download will be a little bit different, but I'll post a video for that as well. So when you get your email from Texas Urology Group, as soon as you get scheduled on the phone with our office, within about an hour or two later, you need to check and make sure that you have an email from us that has a meeting link in it. It should be blue and you should be able to click it, kind of like these words down here. If it is not, you can always copy and paste it into your browser right up here and click enter. It'll do the same thing. But please make sure you have that email. You know, of course, we're human. We may forget to send it out once in a while. If you do not have an email, call 210-267-1709, or you can send us a portal message if your appointment is several days away. If it's the next day, please give us a call and let us know you don't have the right info. All right, so when you click that link, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. You can click here. It's probably not going to work. If it did, it would open another web page with the meeting, nothing else to do. You don't have to create an account. You're good to go. Now, if you really don't want to create an account, this should pop up at the bottom and you can click right here, okay? That is going to bring you straight into the meeting. You'll click join audio by computer and you'll start checking your settings to make sure everything's working. I'll show you that a little bit later. Sorry guys, you can see my reflection there. But I'm going to leave this meeting right now. And I'm going to go back to where we were, because I want to show you how to download and run Zoom. This might be the way you want to go. It makes things easier down the road. So if you have another appointment with us down the road, or maybe one of your other providers is using this platform, this would make it easier for future visits. So what you'll do is you'll click download and run Zoom. If you're on a Windows PC, your zip file or downloader is going to be right down here. If you are on a Mac, they're up in this right corner up here where you see my arrow. There's going to be a down arrow inside of a circle. You're going to click that and there will be a drop down and this little file will appear there. It'll say Zoom something. You'll click that wherever it is and your downloader will start. Depending on your settings, whether you're on Windows or Mac, you may have to put in a password, you may have to click continue a few times, it just depends. Just follow the prompts until this pops up. Now on my Windows, it takes me straight into the meeting. When I did it on a Mac, it did not. It took me to the app homepage. If the app homepage pops up, it'll look similar to this, but it'll just say Zoom across here. You're just going to X that out, go back to your email and click the link again. And then that will take you right here where we are right now. Okay, so this is what the meeting looks like while you are waiting for us, okay? The way you can check initially to make sure things are working is you should have a microphone here. And you should see green going up and down when you talk. That means it's picking up your voice. If you do not, you click this button here. You can change the microphone. For example, if you had headphones with a speaker plugged in, you would have options here. If you have different speaker options, they would be here. So that's the way you can change that up. The other thing, if it's still not working, click on audio settings. You will be able to test your speaker and test your mic. You can see it's picking up my voice. If I click this, it plays a little chime that I should be able to hear. If you click that and you don't hear anything, then your speakers are not working. Check your volume down here. Make sure your volume is not on mute. Move your bar to the right. That's usually the problem there. So we'll get out of this. So right here, you're just waiting for your provider to join.